How to clean your PC and identify files taking up the most space. Are you dealing with a slow PC or a hard drive that's completely full, leaving no room for new downloads? And yes, I know that feeling. But no problem, I've got you covered. Let's dive right into the video. First, you need to download a program called Wiztree. It's a simple and user-friendly tool. I will provide a link in the description for you to download and install it. I've already downloaded it, so I don't need to do it again. Now, just open Wiztree. All you need to do is select your hard drive and press scan. You will see it scans really quickly, so you won't have to wait hours or days. This is really organized, so you can even see which types of files are most used on your PC. Mine are mostly .mp4 files, which is handy to know. You can also see how much space they take up in gigabytes. The files are organized in a way that makes it easy to see where most of the space is being used. If you hover your mouse over them, the area is even highlighted. You will notice several boxes that you can click on. The size of each box indicates how much space it used on your hard drive. You can also right click on the boxes and then click Explore Folder to either delete unnecessary files or find out what you no longer need. This makes it very easy and quick to remove junk files. Using this tool is straightforward and efficient for cleaning your PC. Good luck with cleaning your PC. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.